Hello everyone. Today we are gonna discuss the Warren Buffett indicator. This indicator has become a popular tool among value investors who wish to judge the relative valuation of stocks. Let's look at an article together. The article is about why Warren Buffett's record $122 billion cash pile could be not a good sign for stock markets. It says, $122 billion in cash is the new record for Berkshire Hathaway. It's a warning sign that stocks are overvalued and a crash is around the corner. The US stock market is more overvalued than the dot-com bubble and just before the financial crisis. Surprisingly, this article was not published after COVID-19. It was written in August 2019 when the stock market skyrockets after overcoming many difficulties arising from the US-China trade war. In fact, a couple of journalists and experts at the time hold Warren Buffett under derision, saying he is too old to play around the stock market. Let's compare the stock price with GDP at the time. The S&P 500 against GDP was 135, which is close to the previous high of the dot-com bubble in 1999. If zoomed in, since this article was published, the indicator had risen for a few more months, but has been falling all the way down. Looking back, Buffett was right. So, what is the Buffett indicator? The Buffett indicator is the sum total of the market cap of all US stocks relative to the nation's GDP. Yes, you are right. The chart you just seen a while ago is the Warren Buffett indicator. What this means is, when stocks overall are trading significantly below GDP, it is a buy signal, or the other way around. If above GDP, it is judged to be overvalued. Warren Buffett claimed that market cap to GDP is the best single measure of where valuations stand at any given moment. Let's look again. The Buffett indicator changes since 1950. When stocks cross above GDP, it tends to be a sign that a correction is possible. This occurred in 2000, just before the dot-com crash, and in 2007 on the eve of the financial crisis. The indicator proved its worth ahead of those two corrections. Recently, the indicator fell a lot due to COVID-19. Nevertheless, it is still higher than ever, except 1999, to remind that Buffett now holds more cash than last year. So what do you think? Do you think a stock price rises in the future? Nobody knows. However, we can assume with the Buffett indicator, due to COVID-19, there will be a sharp decline in US GDP. If stock price flat or further rise, the Buffett indicator hit a new record. That being said, a sell signal. On top of that, many experts say 75% to 100% is the fairly valued zone. The Buffett indicator is a powerful indicator to know rapidly where we are with market valuations, not only for the US but also for other countries. I put the link where you can check market cap of GDP for all countries. What do you think about this indicator? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I will talk to you all later.